Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily clean them. There is actually no such rule for cleaning them. You'll need to just use a microfiber cloth, turn them off by holding this button for a few seconds and wipe them around. By the one, let me turn them off. You don't need any alcohol like isopropyl one or ethyl one. You don't need this all. Of course, if you see that this is so oily and dirty, you need to use some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. But apart from that, just clean them using the microfiber cloth. Just like this. Just wipe them. You can use, of course, use the water, of course, use some other things like this, because after, for example, pour all the sea, you need to rinse the device with fresh water and then dry them with this cloth to make sure that salt won't damage them or any chemicals. And before charging them, make sure that here these contacts are clean. And actually, that's it. Bye.